south central Latah County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northeastern Asotin County in southeast Washington, until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Asotin, or 8 miles south of Lewiston, and moving north at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Asotin, Lewiston, Genesee, and Joel. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday evening for the Panhandle and north central Idaho and eastern Washington. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: Latah and Nez Perce, and Asotin County, Washington.